Welcome back to our Oakleys. We're got another unofficial unboxing here. It's been a while since we've done some footwear. So today we're going to unbox, unofficially of course, a vintage pair of Oakley Bottlecap Flesh. Not the luxottica trash, but the real deal. These are going to be the gray. And before we do that, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys, because why would you want to do something like that? Also, be sure to check out our other videos, guys. We have a ton of fantastic content, a ton of exclusive content that you're only going to see right here. So definitely check out our other videos, and definitely check out the second best book ever written. Did I tell you guys that this book is motivational, it's educational, it's inspirational, it's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. Who doesn't like saving money? And it's a great and fun and entertaining read, even above and beyond all that. Zoom in a little closer so they can see this beautiful masterpiece here. Okay, that's fine. So this book is a masterpiece. If you read it, you can retire early too. Links are going to be below in the description. Do not miss out on this. And do not miss out on Texit Coin. Guys, cryptocurrency is getting pretty popular these days. Don't you wish you could have bought Bitcoin back in 2008, 2009, 2010? Well, guess what? Texit Coin is an up-and-coming crypto. And by the way, I have to say this as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. But I am saying you should do your own research and check out Texit Coin. They will send you a cold storage coin, at least now, at the time that this video is being shot, and they mine for you 24/7, 365 for the rest of your life, 137 years to be exact. You get paid every 24 hours on your cold storage coin. You have your own unique QR code on the back there that gives you your digital wallet. You get paid every 24 hours. You can withdraw money at any time, some or all of it, or none of it. You can be a hodler like me and hold your Texit Coin for an unspecified amount of time. But check it out. Bobby Gray, do your research on Bobby Gray, the founder. You definitely want to check out Texit Coin. 2 links are going to be below in the description for Texit Coin. One is for Texit Coin's official website. The second is our personal referral link. So if you do decide to participate, definitely use our link. We appreciate that very much, and you're welcome. So the Bottlecap Flesh and the Oakley Flesh came out the early 2000s. I picked up a few different pairs because they were some of my favorites. Today we got the gray pair in the box. We got the original box right here to my right. So let's check out this box, because like they say, they don't make them like they used to. And dark gray box, it's got the nice silver etching on here. And I'll let you guys read the write-up here. So this was early in the days of Oakley's footwear, when they were creating some really cool stuff. The Static O, this is called the Static O, for those of you not familiar with that. Some of you will be. We got a Static O on the back. And let's check out the label here, because this is, yes, truly the correct box. Back when they had the diagram of whatever it was, if it was the sunglasses, the watches, or in this case, the footwear, and the color to match, the color on the tag to match the components, the internal components here, in this case, the footwear, which is really cool. The gray, what does it actually say? What's the official name? Does it just say gray? Yeah, right here. Oakley Flesh Gray, but they are the Bottlecap Flesh, right? So a little bit of a distinction. 9.5 is our size here. And is this, yeah, this is a separate sticker. I don't know if this is from Oakley or not. This obviously is. But let's open these up. And by the way, these have not been worn in probably 15, 16 years. That's a long time. So we're going to try them on and give you our impressions, even though we've already worn them more than a decade and a half ago. So the boxes back then were quite large, and you can see these are a light gray color. Now, these have been worn, of course, so you're going to see a few abrasions on here, unfortunately, a few marks. I wonder if there's a way to get these marks off of here. I don't really know that there is, or even something that would blend them in a little bit better. But you got a metal icon here, which is really cool, classic. Is it neoprene or aeroprene? I think it's aeroprene, right? The stretchy material here. Oh, you know what? I got to do something real quick. I got to call out my wife and Gonna do something here real quick. I gotta call you out. You gotta check out under the sink. There's something under there.
Stop it when you know it.
What? What do you know? What do you know? What's that? What's that? How did that get there?
Dramatic.
It's our anniversary today, guys. It happens to be our anniversary, so I got my wife some beautiful flowers since she's always raving about flowers. I want my wife to be a happy pistachio. This is my pistachio. It's our anniversary.
I'll do it later.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yep. And check it out, guys. Read my book. We got a deal on these flowers. What was it, $4.97? That's what I'm talking about. You guys gotta check out my book so you can get deals on flowers to make your wife happy, or your girlfriend happy, or whoever happy. Just read my book. Did I mention the links are in the description below? Check it out. Anyway, so happy anniversary, pistachios. Anyway, we're gonna try these on. Let's look at these traction treads. These were actually referred to as traction pods, right? And I believe they are separate. I don't want to pull these off too. Oh, you know what? Hopefully the adhesive doesn't fail on these, because like I said, these are more than 20 years old. I like the stitching on here just for the aesthetic purposes, right? They got some nice stitching on here. They got the pull tabs on the back to help you slip them on, and kind of heavy actually. And back then, look what they did. They didn't have actual tags. They actually screen printed the size and some other information here on the inside of the shoe. But I like these a lot. Pull tabs say Flesh on the back. And also notice they had this additional, the newer Oakley Flesh, the ones that were released recently in the past couple of years, they don't have all these little divots or these little holes or whatever you want to call them on these traction pods. They're more smooth. So these are actually really cool. And we got in here, what else do we have? Come on in. What's this? We got a warranty registration card. So this is obviously old school. And I don't know how many people filled this out. I would imagine not very many. But that was also included in the box. So let's try these on. Let's try these on, and I'll tell you how they actually feel and how they fit after 15 or 16 years. And again, pretty easy to get on. Let's use the pull tab. Oh yeah, these feel comfortable. Maybe I'll wear these today. It's just too bad that they have those little scuffs on there, right? It'd be nice if they were still brand new. They still look pretty decent. And you know, they do feel rather cushioned too. Whatever they got in the sole, I think it's just the sock liner, right? The insole is really thick, I believe. I should probably pull those out just to show you guys, but they feel pretty comfortable. A little loose around the ankles though, right? There's some slippage right back here, right? So, but again, these are not intended for athletic activity. They're basically daily wearing, right? Casual wear. So let me, before we conclude the video here, let me actually pull out one of these sock liners for you. Let me see something. Oh yeah, come on in. Look at this. Look at how thick these sock liners are. And I think this is why they feel so cushioned right here. Can you capture how thick these are? These are pretty thick, especially right here towards the arch. They're very, very thick. So actually the whole thing is pretty thick, but towards the arch right here on the instep is very thick. But a little more thin here, but thicker here. So let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.